Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another Shein haul. Really excited to share everything with you all as always. So if you guys are excited to refresh your wardrobes as well, then definitely keep on watching. Let's start off with the first two items in today's video, which I mean, I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And so everything in this haul is actually from Missguided. So I didn't even preface that in the beginning of the video, but as you guys can tell, I'm obsessed with just the different brands off of Shein rather than the, you know, most basic brand, I guess. And so everything's from Missguided. Essentially this top, gorgeous, obsessed, the fit, fantastic. If you can see on the side, there's like this little bit of a cinching detail right here. Over here as well on both sides, obviously. And it just, oh my gosh, like it just cinches your waist in spectacularly. This little, you know, aspect, little detail adds so much. Like it's not just a regular top anymore. And then the big fold over flap for the off the shoulder is perfect. I am off the shoulder queen. Like every time I go out for dinner, go out, hang out with my friends, any sort of like night out that's like, you know, just like a casual dress up, if you will, like I'm in off the shoulder. And this is a most beautiful gray color. I don't have any gray off the shoulders, I think. And so this is just stunning. It's like in a Aritzia color, I would say this is like heather light gray or heather medium gray type of vibes, because it's got like a little bit of like the heather detail, which I love as well. And I'm just matching it with the necklace and silver jewelries and chunky hoops, and I think it looks great. As for my jeans, what the jeans look like, they're chunky, they're fitted perfectly. Like on my waist, stunning. It fits really well. And most jeans don't really fit my waist this well, so I'm very excited. Light gray color, gorgeous. It is like the most beautiful fit as well. Like it is wide leg. It is a little bit long, but I feel like if I have some chunky sneakers, like a really nice gray color, it's simple, it's stunning. I'm obsessed. And you know what? Like I went out for dinner with my friends yesterday and I was wearing like cream, which I'm not usually a fan of. I feel like I look better in cool tone colors. And I think I do. Like I need to stop pulling around with warm tone colors because clearly I look better in cool tones like gray. And you know what, I saw TikTok the other day, they said if you want to do gray, you should do like a full outfit of gray. So I think this entire outfit is just really, really great. If you guys want it, link it down below. Not affiliated. Let's move on to the next set. Alrighty, so this is not really a next like outfit, I guess. I just changed up the top because the jeans are so versatile. But the top, I'm obsessed. This is what it looks like. It is just a like little gray long sleeve top from the brand Missguided once again. These are the little tags. But the fit of this top, like amazing. It's also super soft and comfy. Like zero itchiness, like I swear. I want this in every single color that they carry in because, I mean, it's amazing. I need this top literally in every single color they carry it in. Couldn't be more obsessed. The color, gorgeous. The neckline, love it. The fit, it's stretchy. It's comfortable. It's got the kind of line detail, the ribbed vibes that we, you know, we love. We love to see it. And I mean, I love the neckline as well. Like it's perfect, and just the overall fit of it, like it scrunches at the top of your jeans. Like it's effortless, it's casual, it's everyday. It is, you know, it's a perfect everyday top. Like it's a great top to wear if you don't know what to wear. And I have so much stuff, but a lot of the times I tend to not have anything to wear. So this is like a great shirt for when you don't have anything to wear. I mean, it's fantastic, and just the color is a great gray and it's unbelievably soft. So I have this top and I'm going to try on the next couple of items. Oh my goodness. Okay, last two items in today's haul, guys. This top is, you can't even tell, but it's like better than a Skims dupe. It is just essentially a long sleeve, again from Missguided, kind of boat neck, black basic long sleeve, but it fits me so well. Like, it fits me better than the Skims top. Like, do you see how snatched my waist is in this top? Like, I feel like I'm not doing it justice. Like, seriously, the waist is so snatched, okay? So snatched. It's unbelievably comfortable. It's kind of like a spandex material. Like, it's like you're wearing workout clothes, but you're not. It's like you're cheating, kind of. But it's like still an actual top. Like, I don't know how to describe it. You know what I mean? Like, you feel like you're wearing a workout top, but it's like an actual top. And then the pants, guys. The pants are just, I mean, are you serious? So this might not be the best outfit because I didn't really plan it out too well. I didn't expect the last two items to be both black, but these pants, like, it has like this extra layer, if you will. And then it's just this black kind of sweatpant, oversized sweatpant situation. And when I tell you the material, it's thick, it's comfortable, it's solid, like it's really sturdy. It's the perfect length, it flows perfectly, it fits perfectly. It hugs you at your waist, like it stays on. It's not like a saggy pant. I mean, everything in this haul I do want to give a 10 out of 10. Like, exceptionally amazing, these pieces. Unbelievable. So, everything gets a 10 out of 10. Oh, and also the top, you can see it has these, like, those thumb holes. I'm wearing it with a Ganni hat because I was like, I didn't plan too well. Last two items to be black. And I just wanted to show it all at once because low-key it looks perfectly together. And in order to tie it all together, I needed my hot pink Ganni hat. And I think it works. Like, I just think it works. And I'm obsessed. And yeah, like, I mean, it's stunning. It's Gorgina. Okay, so this is the look. And I'm gonna, again, have all of these linked down below because I want you guys to all just enjoy these sweatpants. I mean, it's just perfect. Like, Aritzia cannot. Aritzia can never. Just kidding. Okay, so that's everything in today's haul, and let's do my little closeout. Alright guys, thank you all so much for staying until the end if you guys did. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had so much fun picking out the items and unboxing it and, you know, finding out that these pieces are all so cute, so good quality, and I wanted to share with you all. So be sure to check out the links in the description box if you guys are interested. As always, don't forget to check out my other social media platforms, always listed in the description box below, you know, in my link tree, all the things. So check me out on the short form platforms. I do a lot of OOTDs and outfit related content on those as well. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching once again. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and check me out on other social platforms. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.